Xbox here, and I'm bringing you a new type video. Well, it's kind of an update or whatever. Yeah, so, I have been inactive for a while, and, I don't know why I really can't talk right now. And I haven't been making videos because I'm waiting for an arrival. Next gen Xbox One, yeah, I'm waiting for that. And I'm gonna start making Advanced Warfare videos. So, yeah, that's why I haven't been uploading in a while. And, I'm bringing you this gameplay. It's actually live gameplay. Like, I'm not voiceovering or anything. So, yeah. Hopefully we can hit a shot, and, yeah. Alright, so guys, when I get my Xbox One, first thing I'm probably gonna do is try to make a video for you guys. Probably FFA or something. I've already played Advanced Warfare from my friends. And my first supply drop, when I first got on, it gave me 5 supply drops. I did not know nothing about it. And my friend was beside me freaking out. I was like, okay, I guess that's good, 5 supply drops. I opened it, and a gun called the Obsidian Steed. That's what I got, my first supply drop. My friend was like, oh my gosh. I'm like, what, is that good? He's like, dude, that's the best gun in the game. I wasn't really excited because I wanted a sniper or something because, you know, I'm a sniper or whatever. Come on. Split. Well, I guess. Split. Yeah, so I was pretty happy about that. And I tried trick shotting on bots. I mean, the trick shotting is it's not really that hard. I don't know. You guys already know this, so I don't know. I'm just talking about it because I can't wait for it to come. And so yeah, the trick shotting, it looks so complex, but it really isn't. Like I honestly think it's the best Call of Duty, in my opinion. Just from like a couple days at my friend's house. Yeah, so when I get my Xbox One, I'm probably gonna do a bots thing, like practice a little bit before, like, you know, like a road to a bots. I forgot what my episode was called. I can't believe it. I forgot what my own episode is called. Yeah, I don't know if you guys want to watch this BO2 gameplay. Well, please be sure to listen to it if you, like, subscribe or whatever. I probably, like, nobody's probably gonna hear this or whatever. But I really don't care. I'm just updating some 2 people, I guess. So yeah, make sure to be looking out for that. I can't wait to try out. I'm not gonna be using the game DVR because my friend was using it and it didn't really have the same quality as the Elgato, so it really isn't the same. Hopefully I can hit a shot this game because that'd be nice. Like, that'd be pretty nice. Come on. Yeah, I can't do nothing about it. Hit this bill. Wow, he knifed me. Wow. Oh my gosh, why can't I not hit? Hopefully he doesn't kill last, because that's annoying if someone kills last. I honestly don't care if they're trick shotting with me. But I mean, yeah, I've got to last way before these kids, because they're honestly so bad. My timing is so bad, I really need to play a couple games. Well, that's the video for today, guys, and, so, yeah. You're updated and stuff, and, see you on the next video, guys. Alright.